Have you ever wondered, can we use Chrome compact mode? The short answer is Chrome does not currently have an official compact mode setting like older browser versions used to offer, but there are still a few simple ways to make Chrome use less screen space, reduce clutter, and show more of the web page you actually want to focus on. In this video, I'll show you the easiest method, explain what compact mode really means in Chrome today, and show you how to get that cleaner browsing experience in just a few seconds. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome like you normally would. Once the browser is open, the simplest way to create a more compact viewing experience is to use full screen mode. On a Windows keyboard, just press F11. As soon as you do that, Chrome will switch into full screen mode. You'll notice that a lot of the browser interface disappears, including the tabs area, the address bar, and the bookmarks bar if it's visible. That gives you a much larger viewing area, which is especially helpful when you want to read an article, watch a video, work on a form, or focus on a web page without distractions. Even though this is not technically a built-in compact mode, it does achieve the same result for most people. It makes the browser feel lighter and cleaner, and lets more of the website content stay on screen without extra interface elements taking up space. If you want an even more minimal experience, you can also hide the bookmarks bar manually if needed, and keep only the tabs you really need open. That can make Chrome feel much less crowded while still staying in normal window mode. But if you want the fastest way to maximize space, F11 is the easiest option. Now, if you need to exit full screen mode, just press F11 again. Chrome will return to its normal window view, and all of your browser controls will come back right away. So to recap, Chrome no longer includes a true official compact mode, but you can still get a compact style layout by using full screen mode and reducing unnecessary clutter. It's a quick, practical workaround that works well for everyday browsing. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.